Welcome to the future of customer engagement with AI Shastra VoiceDesk. Imagine a customer walking into your business. Instead of waiting in long queues or searching for someone to answer their questions, they simply scan a QR code using their phone. Within seconds, an intelligent AI assistant greets them with a natural human-like voice, understands their questions, provides instant answers, books appointments or reservations, and even sends confirmation messages through WhatsApp. No app installation, no complicated setup, just scan, speak, and get instant assistance. AI Shastra VoiceDesk is an AI-powered voice concierge designed to automate customer interactions across multiple industries. Whether you're running a hospital, a hotel, a restaurant, a college, or any service-based business, VoiceDesk works as your smart digital receptionist, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. For hospitals, patients can book doctor appointments, check visiting hours, learn about departments, and receive instant confirmations. For hotels, guests can inquire about room availability, amenities, pricing, and complete reservations through simple voice conversations. Restaurants can allow customers to reserve tables, explore menus, ask about today's specials, or dietary options without waiting for staff. Educational institutions can automate admission inquiries, explain courses, provide fee details, and schedule counselor appointments, all through natural conversations. What makes VoiceDesk truly different is its intelligence. Instead of generating random responses, the AI answers only from your business knowledge base. This means every answer is accurate, reliable, and customized specifically for your organization. When customers ask questions beyond the available information, the AI intelligently transfers the conversation to your staff, ensuring no customer is ever left without support. Behind the scenes, VoiceDesk combines cutting-edge technologies, including voice AI, large language models, retrieval-augmented generation, vector search, real-time speech recognition, text-to-speech, and WhatsApp automation to deliver an experience that feels like talking to a real employee. Businesses can easily manage everything through a simple admin dashboard. Update FAQs, modify pricing, manage appointments, generate QR codes, track conversations, monitor analytics, and continuously improve customer experience, all from one place. The result? Reduced workload for your staff, faster customer support, higher booking conversions, improved customer satisfaction, and significant savings in operational costs. At AI Shastra, we believe AI should solve real business problems, not just demonstrate technology. VoiceDesk is built to help businesses serve more customers, respond instantly, and grow smarter with artificial intelligence. If you're ready to modernize your customer experience and automate repetitive tasks, now is the perfect time to adopt AI. One QR, one conversation, unlimited possibilities. This is AI Shastra VoiceDesk. The future of customer interaction starts today.